What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on SPAL token, a highly requested video. I haven't done this in about a couple of days and you guys have already asking me enough for another update, so here it is guys. So this crypto has been dipping quite a bit over the last couple of weeks and months, so I'm going to be looking at what potential it has over the next couple of weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high, how low can it go, and if it will ever recover. Because as you can see, since about, let's have a look here, late December, it has been doing nothing but dropping in value. Yes, we have seen peaks here and there in between, but the overall outcome has been more on the negative side. So before I go into all of that stuff, if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And again, just to mention it again guys, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So in the last 24 hours itself, it has just about been fluctuating at the current price range, just about 1% down, which is nothing major, but yeah, it is at the moment worth 0.0035 cents. Over the week it has dropped 7%. We can see minimal dips every single day, but overall it does add up, even though we can see a major peak here on the 14th of March, but yeah, drop back down straight away. And over the month it is a massive 40% down, which is again not looking too great. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 43% in the last 24 hours, making it $63 million. And obviously this crypto has been quite volatile, especially with the huge peak that's taken place earlier on yesterday. We might have seen a lot of people trading the crypto, a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers as well. So yeah, we can see here we've got much more buyers than sellers. We've got 59% buy against 41% sell. So guys, let's get straight into the price prediction and see what SPAL token has to offer us for 2022. But again, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So I did have the Fibonacci scale as I have now. I'm not going to be using it right now. I will bring this back later on in the video when I do the technical analysis. So let's hide this for now and let's bring out the MACD indicator to do the price prediction. So at the bottom here we've got the usual MACD indicator, and at the top we've got the candlestick pattern chart with the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valued at 0.003878. However, SPAL token is trading at a slightly lower value at 0.003464, meaning it is not performing as well as it's meant to. So yeah, that's why it's quite low at the moment. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line and the orange line are both going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So I'm talking about towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect more drops in value for SPAL token. Again, I'm not saying it's going to have a complete drop or a huge decrease in value or anything like that. Of course not. What I'm saying is there will be peaks, there will be dips, it's going to be a mixture, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect slight drops in value over the coming hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? We are still not looking too great, guys. We got both the lines so going in a bearish direction, blue line and orange line going in a negative direction, so more drops in value are expected over the coming days. So in this case, I'm talking about towards the beginning of next week and mid next week, we should expect more drops in value, probably dropping below the 0.034 mark, or even below that, who knows. But all I know is that more drops are on the way. That doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days, of course not. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the negative side. Again, as we saw on the weekly chart, it dropped 7%. Even though it doesn't look like it did, every day a minimal drop does add up, and overall is 7% down. So now let's move on to the daily chart, the big boy long-term chart. What can we see here? we are finally looking slightly positive. We got both the blue line and the orange line going slightly in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. Again, it's not looking too steep, that's the whole point. So minor increases in value are expected over the coming weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about late April, early May. We should hopefully see a slight increase in value on this crypto. Hopefully, guys, we should recover for the rest of the year. We should be able to see some increases as well over the long run. And again, I'm not expecting this crypto to hit a new all-time high anytime soon. Obviously, we can see it hit 3 cents back in November last year when the crypto market was, booming. But right now, it has taken a major drop in value, and yeah, a new all-time high I am not expecting anytime soon. But maybe later on this year, very late this year, maybe possible. But at the moment, I am not expecting anything like that at all. As long as it hits 1 cent, it will be fine. But I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this channel to give you guys the most up-to-date and latest information and accurate predictions as much as possible. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale. So as you can see, we are at one of the lowest points it's ever been to. Obviously, back in 2021, it was at one of its lowest points and then peaked back up. It's been very volatile and right now has gone all the way back down. And that is why I've seen a lot of people saying it's a pump and dump token, so on and so on. However, for me, I've invested into it. I'm still holding on to it. I haven't sold a single one of my SPAL tokens yet, and I will be holding on to it for the long run as well. Again, we can see that last time it did manage to hit this target. It resisted back and bounced back up in value, but then back in let's have a look, when was this? Back in January, it didn't bounce back. It literally just dropped below. However, if it did bounce back up, then yeah, it would have been trading around this target here, which was about between the 1 to 2 cents target. But because it literally dropped below that target, it has had a major drop in value. So even if it does manage to hit this target here, which is 0.01059 target, it could go either way. It could resist and drop back down, or break out and go to the next target, which is 0.015. but at this point, I'm not expecting it to break out. Let's see. Once it hit this target, I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on SPAL token. Any questions or any queries you guys may have, just comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram, and I'll try and answer it in my next crypto update, which should be in a couple of days, as I'm trying to do regular price predictions and price updates on SPAL token, like you guys have requested, at least 2 to 3 times a week, which is what I'm sticking to at the moment. But yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much. The old subscribers, new subscribers, a massive shout out and a massive thank you to all of you guys. Keep supporting the channel and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. You know what to do, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.